Hi, Sir Ma'am. My name is Meros Pagunsan. I am 42 years old. I am single. I live in Marikina City. I graduated in high school. My work experience is in Brunei Darussalam for 2 years. I work for Chinese family, have 2 adults, 14 years old and 16 years old. They live in the 2 stories house, 4 bedrooms and 3 toilets. My duties and responsibilities: cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing, and gardening. My second work experience is in Hong Kong. I work for 3 years. I work for Chinese family, 2-month-old baby. They live in condo unit, 3 bedrooms, and 2 toilets. My duties and responsibilities: cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing, taking care of the baby, feed her, play with her, and reading books. My third work experience is in Russia for 3 years. I work in Turkish family, have 1 6-month-old baby and 1 kids. They live in condo unit, have 3 rooms and 2 toilets. My duties and responsibilities: cleaning the house, ironing, washing, and taking care of the kids, preparing their foods, feeding them, playing with them, reading books, and bring them outside in the playground, and we're playing bicycle and then scooter. My fourth experience abroad is in Russia. I work for 3 years. I work in Russian family. They live in the big house, have 2 kids. My duties and responsibilities: cleaning the house, ironing and washing their clothes, and look after the kids, playing them, reading books, and we go outside in the playground, playing football, riding bicycle, and scooter. Sir, Ma'am, if you choose me as your household worker, I will promise to you that I will hardworking and honest and cheerful, and I treat your family as my own. Thank you.